In a meeting led by Meghalaya's Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh on the 29th of October 2024, several key initiatives aimed at boosting the state's tourism infrastructure were discussed. The meeting centered on projects funded by the Asian Development Bank, with Lyngdoh highlighting substantial financial support from both the state and central allocations. Rupees 191 crore from the state plan and an additional rupees 227 crore from the state government. One notable announcement was the introduction of a tourism buddy scheme. This upcoming program aims to provide employment opportunities for the state's youth, helping them to engage directly in the tourism sector. This initiative is expected to benefit both the local economy and tourism experience in Meghalaya, positioning the state's unique destinations more effectively on the tourism map.
We will pay them, and we will ensure that we also collaborate with the various societies and local darbars where tourism has gained a strong foothold.
So these tourism buddy will act as tourist guide, Papa, or
they'll act as guides, they'll act as helpers, they'll act as interpreters, they'll help people who might lose their way around. All those multifarious activities will happen.
There is a plan for a tourism police to deploy.
This is exactly, we don't call them police because people might get scared. So we call them tourism buddies. They are your friends. They'll not beat you up.
Which are the first locations where they will be deployed?
Mainly in areas with huge tourist inflow. For instance, Lyngdoh, Mots Lake, Mau Smike Cave, Arwak Cave, No Kalikai, Danklen, Mau Lenong and Riwai, Mau Kedok, Golf Links, Mau Plang, Shnong Pedeng, Kerang Suri, Nokrek, Omiam Lake.
And how much government is going to spend, in providing the services of these?
We are working out on a package.
Buddy.
We were working out on a package. We should be able to finalize things in the next 2 weeks or so.
Just to add, is it the government outsourcing the services of these buddies?
We're not outsourcing. The entire control will be with the state government, but we will handhold the stakeholders. For instance, I think you will realize this, that most of these areas which I named are not government properties. They are owned by local communities. So you can't really call it it's not like a tourism police. They are more to assist visitors, and we will work in sync with the local communities.